Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see some table calculation function that is very important. And after knowing the table calculation function, you will have a better idea how the table calculation is working, like quick table calculation working. Okay, so I'll start with lookup function. Okay, lookup. So what lookup function do is we are taking for the sales. So lookup. Okay, and you can see the explanation here. Okay, so it is lookup function is like lead and lag function in SQL if you're aware of that, but if you're not, don't worry, I'll show you here. Okay, so basically I'm taking sales. Okay, now I want second value of sales on the first place. Okay, so I want to move a value. Okay, look of sales. Okay, now I'll put this to text. Now you can see the second value is come to first place. Okay, and third value takes second place. Okay, and fourth value is to second place. Okay, and let me show you one more thing. If you change it to -1, so you can see the first value goes to the second place. Okay, now you can use this lookup function to take difference, like if you want to take a difference second value to first value, so you can use lookup function, lookup sales 1 minus lookup sales -1, so you can take a difference using lookup function. Okay, they are most this is very useful function that we can use in various use cases to take percentage difference, to take percentage difference. Okay, now see second function, rank function. And in rank function, let me show you that rank cells. So rank. Okay, and I'm taking sales, and you have to keep a measure in aggregation, otherwise it will throw an error. Okay, now I'll put this in text, so you can see the subcategory cell with highest cell showing the first rank. Okay, so you can understand that it is providing rank to the highest cells. You can do one more thing, like you want provide least cells first rank, like let me show you cell rank edit. So you can put here. Okay, you can put here like I want ascending, apply. Okay, now you have a least cells has first rank. Okay, so you can provide ascending descending as well. I want to sort it out. No, I can't sort it from here. You can sort from here, think. Yes. Okay, so you can see this is least rank, this is this is highest rank, highest cells, and the rank is higher for this. And you can see in the calculation, let me show you, there are different kinds of rank here. Rank. Okay, so you can see the explanation. Let me show you. Like rank, if the value is 6, 9, 9, 14, the rank will go like this: 1, 2 to 4. Okay, okay, you can see if the rank, if the value is 6, 9, 9, 14, the rank will go 1, 2 to 4. And the rank dense, the value will go like 1, 2 to 3. Okay, in the rank modified, okay, you can see it will go 1, 3, 3, 4. Rank percentile, you can see it will show the percentage value. If you're not aware of percentile, I will make the video for about it. What is the percentile value? Currently you can say it's a 0 percentile, and this is 67 percentile. This provides the same percentile value for the same values. Okay, rank unique, it go like something like indexing. Okay, it provide the unique ranking. Okay, so this is very important thing because it is commonly asked in the interview that what is the difference between rank and rank dense, rank modified. Okay, so this is very important. And one more question normally asked in the interview that SQL lead lag function. How can you what is the function in Tableau is similar to lead or lag function? So this is lookup function that is similar to lead and lag function. Okay, so you can use the rank dense instead of rank if you want to go like this one, that 1 2 2 3. You don't want to skip any rank and you want to provide a similar rank to similar number. Okay, so this is rank is provided similar rank, but it is skipping that third rank is skipped in rank. Okay, so this is different. Now let's talk about first and last table calculation function. So let me create two function first. Okay, and I write first. Okay, okay, then create one more function called last and use last. Okay, even you can see the explanation here. Okay, current row is index 3 of 7, last 4. Okay, so let me show you. First of all, I'll show the first. Let me put cells here. If you want to keep it cells. Okay, now let me put first discrete and last. Okay, so basically it also providing a ranking, but for the first function start with 0 and goes to -1 -2 -3. Okay, and the last function start with the last value 16 and then go until 0. Okay, but okay, so this how the first and last function works. And I'll show you one use case that is very very important. I want to look up first value, look up first. Okay, so I'll use lookup function. Okay, and sum of cells, then I want to look first value. In the previous session, in the previous example, then we are looking for lookup function. Then I'll show you that we can use 1 2 3 to set the value, like -1 provide the first value on the second row, and the first value provide the second value on the first row. Okay, so let me show you what this will do. I'm putting it here. Okay, discrete. So you can see the first value, this first value is coming on the every places. So I'm looking on the first value. Okay, if I change this to last, lookup last, edit, let's duplicate it, edit, and last. So this is very important use case of this first and last function, because most of the time we use it. Okay, not this one, last function. Okay, so now I'll put the lookup last in the rows. So you can see the lookup first is providing the first value, and the lookup last is providing the last value of this sum of cells. Okay, and this value depend on the view. If you change the view, like you are taking manufacturer, so it will show the value as per the manufacturer. This is the first value of manufacturer cells, and this is the last value of manufacturer cell. So it depend on the view. It's change, the calculation changes as per the view. Okay, and the use case of this first and last very very important, because when we compare the sales of any manufacturer with respect to first value, you will look up first and minus then value. Let me show you if you want. Look up first, edit, minus sum of sales. Okay, let me look up. Now you can see I am comparing other value with respect to first value. So first minus for 0, this is the verb. So and the this value is greater than first value, this is why the minus value is coming. So you can see the comparison. Okay, so this is a use case of this thing. So now we'll talk about window function and running sum, okay, or running total. So in order to create running sum, we take sales, and you can go in the quick table calculation. There's running total. You can click on the running total and you have a running total. If you are not aware of what is the running total, running sum, we are adding the each value, like 167 plus 108 is 275, and 275 plus 27 659, so this is 303. So we are adding in this way, and the last value is nothing, it's just a total of all the cells. Okay, total of all cells. Okay, and if you want to create running total, let me put this in the calculation, and okay, and let me edit this so you can see the value providing by default running sum function, and you can use running sum function and you have a running total. Okay, now we will move to window function and create window. Okay, window sum, and there are lots of window function in the Tableau, like window max, window minimum, window sum. So basically you can see the definition. It return the sum from the window, and you provide the measure. You can see this is aggregated measure, and this is the window that you want to take the sum out of the window. Okay, so okay, so currently I am just providing sum of sales. So if you're tracking sum of sales here, you have this is a total one. Okay, if I removing this one, you have a total. Okay, this is sum of sales and this is window sum. Because we haven't provided any window, so it's taking the complete window. Okay, so if I want to calculate window sum or window average of particular window, like we want to calculate running sum of last two values. Okay, so if I will go and I'll go -2 to 0, meaning that we want to go previous two values to current value. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so in this value we have same value, in this value we are taking all the previous value, not all the previous value, we want only two previous values. Okay, and on this level we are taking total of actually these three values, because 0 -1 -2. Okay, on this level we are taking the sum of this and this, 0 -1 -2. Okay, last two values. Okay, even you can take the average in this way, just you need to change the function here, like average, window average. Now you have average of the same. Okay, so you have a running average last two values, 167. Okay, and this is you will, if you are taking sum and taking the average, the value this will come. And at this point you are taking average of these three values. Okay, at this point you are taking average of these three values, this and this. So you can take a window and you can calculate the window sum, window average. Okay, in a similar fashion you can change the window. Okay, if you want to go to first value, first meaning you want to take the average of you want to take the average of all the previous values. Okay, so at this point you have this value, at this point you have two previous values, at this point you have total three values, at this point you have four values, so you're taking average of all the last values. In this way you can take this way. Okay, so let me show you all the windows function. Okay, so we have window average, we have window correlation, we have window count. Okay, let me show you the window count so you have better idea that what we are counting. Windows count. Okay, so you can see we are taking the windows first to 0. Currently we have one value, at this point we have two values, at this point we have three values. Let me change the window. Okay, so I'm taking only -2. Okay, let's take -3. Okay, So at this point you don't have any value of any this is the first value, there is no value on the previous. Okay, now we have one value, total two values. On this level we have three values, this 1 2 3. Okay, on this level we have four values. Okay, and let me change the window one more time. Okay, window sum edit. Now I'm taking not 0 till 0, I'm taking -3 to 2 5. So we have total five values at any point, not any at any point. Wait. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, so we are taking -2 to -2 -3 to 2. So at this point you have this value and 1 2, total three values. Okay, at this point you have previous value -1 0 1 2. Okay, we have total four values. Okay, at this point you have -2, so -1 -2 0 1 2, to total 1 2 3 4 5 values. Okay, so to count is 5. Okay, so you this is little bit tricky, but you will try yourself and you will have a better idea what I am doing. Okay, so you can go by yourself and understand better. Thank you.